Norm and Brand taught me this. This is just profit takers. Look at this gap up, little bit of profit taking, buyer step in, get long above you up, put my stop down here somewhere, hands off the keyboard. Don't worry about this, it's gonna be close. First red candle on low volume. If that's the top, I'm gonna get incredibly unlucky. I can wait through a little pullback if I need to. But that a little red candle on tiny little volume is absolutely no reason to get out. No new 1 minute low. Hey, what's up YouTube traders? This is William from Bearable Traders, and I went full size on Roku on a dip. Shooting star on the hammer on the daily. Was nearing the support on the 200 on the 1, the 50 on the 2. The 20 on the 15, and I gave it a little wider stop knowing that it could dip down. I put my stop under 132 at 131.99. So now I need to have a patient game. I'm buying near the support, and when I got it, you saw it. You see I had a wick that went up right after I got it, so people were thinking the same thing. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out though. Yeah, stopped out. No problem. That was a good trade. I'm happy with that. We're going to go on to the next one now. We're not going to revenge trade. We're not going to do anything. I'm happy with the trade. Okay. So now I'm getting into Apple. I'm putting the stop under this consolidation, and I think it's gonna go on a run right here. It's gonna go on a tear. Probably hit 212. Yep, my goal is at 212, and if it gets over 211, it's gonna surge to 212. All it has to do is break this. So I see this resistance. I see green buying coming in. I'm gonna put it right under 212. And you see on the daily here, it's the resistance here is at 212. So I'm going to put in my let's see if it's a harmonious chart. I'm not getting a lot. Look at this time in sales. It's interesting. We're not getting the flood of green that we want. I'm already over a 2-to-1. I need to put in my limit sell. I'm gonna go for 85% of my shares at 211.95. Alright, so you can see it's kind of wonky on the daily chart. It goes there, but on the other chart you can see I have my limit sell up there. Now this is just a patient play now. I just wait to get filled. And this will be a 3-to-1, so I would have lost 1-to-1 R, and then this is a 3-to-1 play. So remember, it's at my limit is at 211.95 for about 85% of my shares. Hands off the keyboard. Don't worry about this. It's gonna be close. And let me actually get a few more shares off in a second if it busts through 212 really easily. Sometimes does it about 9 cents or something over the even dollar when it does it. So I'll put in a second limit order. So over here you can see I've got my stop right here, my first limit profit, my second limit profit. Just wait, hands off the keyboard. This is where I just wait, and I'm actually not gonna make another trade. If this can end right here, I would have had 1 loser, 1 winner, 2 R. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Nvidia is still running. Let's just... Actually, I'm not going to look at Nvidia. I'll show you guys really quick. Nvidia is running up. This is Nvidia. I didn't trade this, but Brian's talking about it on the chat right now. That's really strong. First red candle on low volume. If that's the top, I'm gonna get incredibly unlucky. I can wait through a little pullback if I need to, but that a little red candle on tiny little volume is absolutely no reason to get out. No new 1 minute low. Even if it makes a new 1 minute low at this time, that's just an area of consolidation for profit seekers. I'm so close to getting filled. And that's the problem with the limit order. Sometimes it hit 94. And this is when sometimes I freak out, and I could change it to 93 because almost certainly it'll hit 93 if it already hit 94. And I might, because it's 2 cents and this trade is so good, I'm gonna do that. So you can see 28.93, it's 2 cents different. Oh, it got filled. Did it? Ah, it got filled. I was gonna change it to 93. So you see when it busts over that, I put it 9 cents above, and it's about to hit, bam. Okay. Nice. I think I'm gonna get all out. I am happy with this trade. And I am gonna cancel my other order, and I'm just gonna get all out. No need to let this run. I think it's pretty extended. I think a 1 minute low is about to happen that'll trigger it. It'll at least drop down to 212, and then if it loses 212, it could go down to the 2 minute moving average. So anyways, look, new 1 minute low, I'm all out.